Still people are joining. I don't think we should wait for them. Last 1 minute I will wait, and otherwise I will start the next. Okay, we'll go to the next one. That is fine screen. Write down: fine screens are mechanically cleaned devices. Mechanically cleaned devices using perforated plates. Fine screens are mechanically cleaned devices using perforated plates. Oven wire cloth. Oven wire cloth or very closely spaced bars or very closely placed bars with clear openings of less than 20 mm Full stop. Fine screens are not normally suitable for sewage because of clogging possibility. Okay, question on this topic will be: write a short note on screening process. You are supposed to draw at least one diagram and explain the way we have explained here, that what is the screening process first, and then there are three types again specifically. So you will get 5 marks or 4 marks, whatever is there allotted. Okay, shall we move to the next point if you have finished this? Hello, जायचं का पुढं? Shall we move to the next point as we have? Okay, thank you, Vaishnavi. So screening we have finished now. We'll go to the next. Okay. Now the next unit operation is the commutator. व्यवस्थित दिसते का हो तुमच्या डिस्प्लेला? का फिगर डाऊन होतीये? असं काय होतंय का? कारण मी आता मोबाईल मध्ये पण बघते तर त्यावेळेस थोडंसं मला कट डाऊन होते असं वाटतंय. I don't know. I will take care while preparing the slides to make it little smaller one figure. Okay, commutator, what is the commutator? It is the instrument or the unit operation which can be used as a substitute for the screening. In any kind of wastewater treatment plant, as screening is a first and important unit operation. In that case, you can use the commutator. You can replace the screening with the commutator, or a substitute arrangement along with the screening, you can add the commutator. Rather, we can say for commutator, screening will be the substitute arrangement. या दोन्ही सेंटेन्स मधला डिफरन्स काय आला का? तर ऍक्च्युअल प्रोसेस मध्ये कम्युनिटर हा वर्किंग मध्ये असेल, पण सबस्टिट्यूट अरेंजमेंट म्हणून स्क्रीनिंग असेल. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ कम्युनिटर? So here you can say, see here, rotating cutting screen. So these are the rotating cutting. These are always continuously in a motion in this direction shown by the red arrow, red color arrows. Okay, so it is a rotation cutting screen. The screens like this dark color, the particles entering into this channel in a inward direction, inward flow, you can observe. So this will be strike on this, and that rotating cutting machine will convert into fine particles up to 20 mm diameter particles. It will be converted with the help of rotating cutting screen machine, and this converted or screened up crashed material will be allowed to flow with the water, wastewater, and it will be sent for the further treatment process. So it is clearly shown in this picture. Larger size particles are entering. This rotating cutting machine, screen machine, will cut that particle and will convert into small pieces and will allow to flow along with the wastewater in a next unit operation or unit process. Okay, so why it is done in a screening? We are simply removing these particles with the help of providing the bar screen inclined in the downstream direction with the 45-degree angle. But here we are not only separating out, but also it is crushing and converting into small pieces up to 20 mm diameter and allowing to flow. As I told you, every unit operation is generating a solid waste, and we are supposed to provide the treatment to the solid waste later on separately. Is it? So here, if we will cut and convert into small pieces, it will flow along with water and will be used by the microorganism as a food in a further biological treatment process. This is the first thing. And there is no need to make separate arrangement for the decomposition or for the collection and degradation of suspended particles present into sewage. कळालं का दोन्ही मधला डिफरन्स? स्क्रीनिंग मध्ये सिंपली लार्जर साइजचे पार्टिकल रिमूव्ह केले जातात, आणि कम्युनिटर मध्ये लार्जर साइजचे पार्टिकल सेपरेट करून त्याला क्रश केलं जातं आणि फाईन पार्टिकल मध्ये कन्वर्ट केलं जातं, आणि ऑटोमॅटिकली त्याच फ्लो मध्ये ते फ्लो होऊ दिलं जातं, की जेणेकरून दॅट कॅन बी युज्ड एज अ फूड बाय द मायक्रोऑर्गॅनिझम इन अ बायोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट युनिट ऑपरेशन or unit process. I hope you understood. Okay, so that is demonstrated in this commutator figure. Who is talking? Okay, so there is no requirement as such to go for the drawing, but still you can draw this figure. Then I can explain, give the write-up of commutator. Simply outline you can draw. And if you are facing problem, you can let me know through audio, not through the message, because I'm going to be aside from that. Okay, done. Thank you, Snehal. We'll go to the next point. So communitor function you understood, crushing the larger particles and converting into small pieces. So meanwhile, no need to make separate arrangement for the separating it out, removing it from the wastewater and then providing a treatment process. Okay. So first of all, write down about the communitor. There will be also short note on the communitor. Question will be there. So write about the communitor. I will dictate a few lines about the communitor. This is a process communiting. You can write down communiting. 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 This is a process where devices like grinders, cutters, or shredders are employable, are employed to break up solid material into smaller sizes. To break up solid material into smaller sizes. A communitor consists of a vertical revolving drum screen. A communitor consists of, see this figure, a vertical revolving drum screen. Full stop. The coarse material is cut by cutting teeth and the shear bars on the revolving drum as the solids are carried. Full stop. The small shredded particles then passed through the slots of drum out and of a bottom opening here through the slots of drum and of bottom opening through an inverted siphon. It is creating here inverted siphon. Okay, through an inverted siphon. The head loss across the communitors depends upon screen details and flow. The normal value is 50 to 100 mm. 50 to 100 mm. Okay. So this is about the communitor. this is a flow metering device. Continuously, every activity will be run on the basis of flow meter, flow, quantity, discharge. That will only help us to decide the dose and time period for the treatment. Is it? So simply you can construct a channel with a V shape or nozzle shape, plume shape, weir shape to count the discharge. Okay, so this will be a standard measurement unit for the flow. Now we'll turn towards the next unit operation, that is grit chamber. What is meant by grit that I explained to you? Okay, let me see whether I have added figure. Here you can see a grit chamber. Okay, try to see very clearly. Screw conveyor, are you able to see these screw conveyors? 1, 2, 3, 4 spirals are there here. Is it? I hope you are able to see. But not only here, these are also available here in this portion. Is it? So what does this screw conveyor does? So this is a chamber, okay, where the water is flowing into this chamber in this direction, and this grit chamber removal instrument is arranged in this chamber, and that entire can be considered or called as the grit chamber. Okay, so this screw conveyor will be keep on rotating in a one direction continuously. It will be running in a one direction. So these screw, so here whatever the solid particles present in the at the bottom in this sewage flow, it will be attached to this first screw. Then because of the movements, it will keep on forwarding. Is it? So this will be keep on forwarding towards the higher level. At the same time, whatever the water collected along with this along with these particles or the grits will keep on falling down. It will not be moved forward for the certain height, but the particles will be keep on move forward with this screw conveyor, and here at this particular position in this tank you can dump that screens or the grids, whatever removed from this. What is meant by grids? It is a solid inorganic particles, eggshells, pebbles, broken pebbles, then metals, then crushed stones, sand particle, that will be the grids. So this is their tendency to get settled down, sediment down. But if these are present in this wastewater, the further waste area, whatever is the valuable space is present into this further treatment unit processes will be consumed by these inorganic impurities, which are not going to be decomposed. Is it? So it will be consumed by these grids. So that's why it has to be removed immediately after the screening process. त्या सिक्वेन्सलाही महत्व आहे आणि त्या युनिट ऑपरेशनलाही महत्व आहे. We cannot say that primary clarifier will sit at the first and then grit chamber and then screening. Is it? So sequence is very important way to decide the treatment for the wastewater or the water. Okay, getting? So this will, I think you understood, this is the lower wash screw conveyor, screening wash, and then dewatering or compaction zone, then 3 plane screening basket you can say here, and the rotating rack. So this is keep on rotating continuously in one of the direction, and because of that the screws are keep on rotating continuously. It is, the screws are not forwarding move, it is at the same place, but it is rotating, and while rotating it will forward the mass of solids or the grids in a forward direction, and finally it will be dumped into this particular container provided. In a which point we have discussed in the last 2 days, that was I think pumping station. Okay, in the pumping station, different type of design I have shown to you. What was that design? Simply a vertical rod is provided, and on that rod, the buckets, flexible rod was there, and the buckets are arranged on these rods in this direction. Okay, but these buckets are the perforated buckets. Okay, this way, these are the perforated buckets. Perforated bucket in the sense it is having the holes. Okay, like these holes will be there. So small holes will be there. And what will happen when it is rotating in this direction? Okay, when it is rotating in this direction, at that time it will remove the it will collect. So when it is coming here, whatever the particles present here, it will be collected by this particular bucket. Okay, and it will go up. So keep on rotating. And but when it is going up, because it is a perforated buckets, the water present in this perforated bucket will fall down here. But means only the grits will be collected with the help of. And here we can arrange a collection chamber. It can drop here by automatic way, and this process will keep on continuing. Okay, but here screw conveners are used. Either this method or this method you can use for the removal of grit chamber, or simply you can design a tank where you can remove the such kinds of particles. So I will show you how to design the tank or how to construct the tank. One more design is available, so that we will see first. See here, horizontal tank can be designed. This is a plan and this is a section. You can draw simply a section. Okay, water is allowed to flow here. A hopper bottom is generated. A slope is provided towards the both side. And the sand particles will be collected. Will be collected here in this bottom, and it will move forward. The remaining only liquid, supernatant liquid, we can say, free from grits can be move forward. So this is the third method you can use for the removal of grits. So you can draw this as a grit chamber. This second figure you can draw, and if you wish you can draw both the figures. Okay, please draw. We have 10 minutes. Time being, I will take attendance. You keep on drawing.
Mhm.
Hello guys, please listen the attendance. माहित नाही. Ganesh Bagal, who is there? Who is the Ganesh Bagal? Is there any Ganesh Bagal roll number 51? Why you have written this way? Something odd while writing, you are writing to everyone. And while saying sorry, you are writing to me. Why this? Guys, don't behave like this. I don't like. Okay, I will count the number, roll numbers, and check your attendance, please. Roll number 55, 42, 50, 40, 45, 48, 49, 36, 6, 15, 22, 25, 68, 9, 31, 19, 56, 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 13, 17, 18, 20, 21, 24, 26, 27, 29, 37, 38, 43, 51, 52, 53, 54, 57, 58, 64, 66, 67, 41 and 34 are the roll numbers present today. Is there anybody's roll number is missing to count? 47 I have taken, I think. Okay, I will add 47. Don't repeat the numbers if you have not listened. 50 already counted. 18 also counted. 37 also counted. Why you are writing? 51. Okay, I will add 51. Ganesh Bagal, I don't like your today's performance. Hope you will be very careful in the future. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. If you have finished this sketch, you can leave the meeting. The last 2 minutes are remain. I will not close. I will wait others to complete. Roll number 13 taken.